Hello students, once again welcome to English Literature Classroom. Today my topic is Shakespeare's The Tempest, Act 1, Scene 1. In my previous video, I taught you up to line 25. Today I am going to teach from line 26. Clear? Now, before starting, let me recap a little. Okay? The play opens on board a ship at sea in the midst of fierce storm. It's a noisy scene. The storm is driving the ship ashore. The captain of the ship tells the boatswain to inspire the crew of the ship to be alert and to fight the storm. The boatswain is going to give his order when Alonso, Sebastian, Antonio, Ferdinand, Gonzalo, and other royal passengers of the ship appear on the deck. Clear? Now, I taught you up to here. Now, let's continue from this speech of Gonzalo. Clear? Now, what is Gonzalo telling? Gonzalo telling that I have great comfort from this fellow. Methinks he hath no drowning mark upon him. His complexion is perfect gallows. Now, Gonzalo is telling about Boatswain. Okay? Now, Boatswain is continuously angry as Alonso, Sebastian, they were coming and asking him. So Gonzalo is now telling about the boatswain that he felt comforted by the presence of the boatswain. He thinks that there is no sign to show that man would be drowned. Now enter boatswain. Okay, now what is boatswain telling? Boatswain is telling down with the topmast. Now, to whom he is telling? He is telling to the mariners. Mariners means the sailors. Down with the topmast. Yere, lower, lower. Bring her to try with main course. Okay, what is boatswain telling? Lower the topmost. Quick, lower it. Keep the ship close to the wind. Okay, he is giving these orders to the mariners. Now enter Sebastian, Antonio, and Gonzalo. When Antonio, Sebastian, and Gonzalo enters, boatswain once again becomes angry and tells that yet again. Okay, what is he telling? Yet again. Okay, what do you hear? Okay, shall we give over and drown? Okay, he becomes angry and telling that you have come again. You must refer to Sebastian, Antonio, and Gonzalo. What is your business here? Shall we give up our effort and allow the ship to get wrecked? Do you wish to perish in the sea? Now, Sebastian becomes angry. Okay, at this, Sebastian's become angry and he tells that may a horrible disease afflict and disable your throat. Now, boatswain is telling, work you then. Okay, at this, boatswain is telling that, all right, then you take over our duty. Boatswain is telling to Sebastian. Antonio is telling, hankered. Hankered means, may you hanged, you dog. Hang you, whoreson. We are not so afraid of being drowned as you. Okay, now what is Antonio telling? That we are not so much afraid to be drowned as you. Okay, Antonio is telling to boatswain. Now Gonzalo. Okay, next Gonzalo is telling that I can give you guarantee that this fellow is referred to boatswain. He would not drown even if the ship were no stronger than a nutshell. Now boatswain is telling to the sailors. Okay, boatswain is telling to the sailors. Keep the ship to the wind as close as possible. Set her foresail as well as her mainsail to so as to carry her off to sea again. Now mariners are telling. Okay, next enter mariners. They are all wet. Okay, now they are telling. All lost, to prayers, to prayers. What are the mariners telling? There is no hope now. Only prayers can save us. No hope left. Boatswain. Now boatswain is telling, what? Must our mouths be cold? Okay, what is boatswain telling? What? Can nothing save us from drowning? Okay, it's told by boatswain. Now Gonzalo is telling. Okay, what is Gonzalo telling? The king and the prince are praying. Okay, Gonzalo is telling the king and prince are praying. Let us join them in prayer because we are in the same danger as they. Okay, now Sebastian is telling, I have lost my patience. Okay, what is Sebastian telling? I have lost my patience. Antonio is telling, we are merely cheated. Okay, what is Antonio telling? We are merely cheated. We are going to perish simply because of this untrustworthy drunken man. Now Gonzalo is telling, he will be hanged yet. Okay, what is Gonzalo telling? No, this man is to die by hanging. It is his destiny to hang even though every drop in the ocean should swear to the contrary. Okay, Antonio is telling, let us all sink with the king. Okay, what is Antonio is telling? Let us all sink with the king. Let us all go down with the sea with the king. Sebastian, let us bid farewell to the king. Sebastian is telling, let us bid farewell to the king. Now, why are all they telling farewell? Because the ship is going to sink. Okay, and Gonzalo is telling in the end, Gonzalo is telling, I am prepared to give away 1,000 furlongs of sea in exchange for just 1 acre of dry land. Means everybody is praying for safety. Everybody wants to land. Okay, everybody wants to land in the seashore. But the ship is unfortunately sinking. Okay, with this I am ending Act 1, Scene 1. In my next video, I am going to give the question pattern. Until then, goodbye.